D. Georg Cantor. Georg Cantor is one of the founders of set theory, a branch of mathematical logic which studies sets, that is, collections of different objects. 2. Cantor showed that there are different kinds of infinities. For example, there is a set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. And there is a set of real numbers 0, 0.1, 0.1167, etc. He has shown that the set of real numbers is larger than the set of natural numbers, although both are infinite. 3. Wikipedia writes, Cantor introduced fundamental constructions in set theory, such as the power set of a set A, which is the set of all possible subsets of A. He later proved that the size of the power set of A is strictly larger than the size of A, even when A is an infinite set. This result soon became known as Cantor's theorem. 4. Cantor, as most innovators, was persecuted throughout his life, which eventually led to his ending his days in depression and asylum. He was called, quote, a scientific charlatan and a corrupter of youth by some eminent math professors of his time. E. Gottlob Frege, 1848 to 1925. He was a German reactionary who introduced the use of quantifiers in logic, such as for all x and there exists some x. 2. Philosophically, he wanted to show that mathematics grows out of logic, a view known as logicism. 3. He is known for the following quote: "Every good mathematician is at least half a philosopher, and every good philosopher is at least half a mathematician." F. Giuseppe Peano, 1858 to 1932. 1. He has posed a very good question. How do you define a definition? 2. Wikipedia writes, in 1891, Peano started the Formulario project. It was to be an encyclopedia of mathematics, containing all known formulae and theorems of mathematical science, using a standard notation invented by Peano. Here we see a tendency towards unification and ordering of knowledge. A similar project in our time is undertaken by Stephen Wolfram, for example, at Wolfram Alpha. The goal here is of making all of the world's systematic knowledge computable.